Hello everyone, welcome back to Daily English with Emma English Shadowing. In this lesson, you will practice 100 powerful daily English sentences used by native speakers in real conversations. This method will help you speak more naturally, improve pronunciation, build fluency faster, think in English confidently. The rules are simple. Listen carefully, repeat immediately, copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and emotion. Don't worry if you cannot speak perfectly at first. Daily practice is the key to fluency. Take a deep breath, relax your mind, and let's start shadowing practice together. Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, dot, and expression. Ready, repeat after me slowly and clearly. Morning routine 1. I just woke up. Yes, repeat please. 2. I need 5 more minutes. 3. What time is it? 4. I'm still sleepy. 5. I need to brush my teeth. 6. I'm going to take a shower. 7. The water is too cold. 8. I'm getting ready for work. 9. I can't find my phone. 10. I'm running late. Breakfast and home 11. What's for breakfast? 12. This coffee smells amazing. 13. I'm really hungry. 14. Please pass the salt. 15. The food tastes delicious. 16. I'll wash the dishes later. 17. Can you help me clean up? 18. I forgot to lock the door. 19. The house is very quiet today. 20. I need to do laundry. Transportation 21. I'm waiting for the bus. 22. The traffic is terrible today. 23. My train is delayed again. 24. I'll call a taxi. 25. How long will it take? 26. Please drive carefully. 27. I missed my stop. 28. I'm almost there. 29. The road is very crowded. 30. I'll be there soon. Work and study 31. I have a lot of work today. 32. Let's start the meeting. 33. I need more time. 34. Can you explain it again? 35. I understand now. 36. That's a great idea. 37. I'll finish it later. 38. I'm studying English every day. 39. Practice makes perfect. 40. I'm doing my best. Shopping 41. How much is this? 42. It's too expensive. 43. Do you have a smaller size? 44. I'm just looking around. 45. Can I pay by card? 46. I need a shopping bag. 47. This looks really nice. 48. Where is the cashier? 49. I'll take this one. 50. Thank you for your help. Restaurants and food. 51. Can I see the menu? 52. I'd like to order now. 53. What do you recommend? Yes, repeat please. 54. I'll have the chicken pasta. 55. The food was excellent. 56. Could I get some water? 57. I'm full now. 58. Can I have the bill please? 59. The service was great. 60. Have a nice day. Daily conversations. 61. How are you today? 62. I'm doing well, thanks. 63. Nice to meet you. 64. Long time no see. 65. What have you been doing lately? 66. That sounds interesting. 67. I totally agree with you. 68. Really? Tell me more. 69. I'm happy to hear that. 70. Take care of yourself. Repeat after me, please. Phone and internet. 71. My battery is almost dead. 72. I need to charge my phone. 73. The internet is too slow. 74. Can you send me the link? 75. I'll text you later. 76. I didn't get your message. 77. Let me check my email. 78. Please call me back. 79. The video keeps buffering. SRCLM 80. I'm online right now. Evening routine. 81. I'm finally home. 82. Today was exhausting. 83. I need to relax. 84. Let's watch a movie. 85. I'm going to bed early tonight. 86. I still have things to do. 87. I'm feeling tired. 88. Tomorrow will be better. 89. Good night. 90. Sleep well. Useful everyday expressions. 91. No problem. 92. Of course. 93. I don't think so. 94. That's okay. 95. I'm not sure yet. 96. Let me think about it. 97. It depends. 98. Don't worry about it. 99. I appreciate it. 100. See you tomorrow. Excellent job today. Shadowing every day will improve your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. Repeat this practice again tomorrow. And remember, small daily practice creates big improvement. See you in the next lesson.